Hello everyone. Uh, Today our day two for learning and implementing Python. So yesterday we learned what is data type. We say three type of data type. There are many type of data type. Like yesterday we say integer, float, and string. And today we will see the next like boolean data type. So boolean data type from today we will learn and how to implement the type of boolean, and we also see the type of data type of in string. Okay, so and I'm going to share my screen. If you see a good suggestion for me, then please go ahead and try to comment it and how I can improve. So I'm going to share my screen. Okay, yesterday we see how to what is integer. So we see how to assign the value in Python, right? Like we assign x is equal to 10. Okay, so we assign x is equal to 10 and y equal to 5. So if you want to sum this thing, like we can simply use plus operator. Okay, the sign plus is a operator, and the other side like x plus and x and y are operands in this case. Okay, okay. So we will be try to implement this thing on our compiler. So I'm going to my compiler. Let's stop sharing and share. Wait for a minute. I am using online compiler, right? You can also use this thing, online compiler. So today we are going to start assigning the value, right? So we assign x equal to 5, right? And y to, let's say, 10. Okay, like if you want to add the both thing, x plus y, then uh, will be x plus y. So here, this is our operand plus sign, and this is our operands. X and y are operands in this sense. So if you want to print it, resu. Okay. So see, our x output is 15. Okay. So likewise, we can also uh, do difference. Like we can also difference it x and y. Also print it. Prints it, right. So I got the value -5 when we do when we differentiate it. Okay, So likewise we can also divide it. Okay, division x divided by y. Okay, and we can print to, this is I got the value 0.5, which is this they print is integer and it prints float value, right? If we add 1 slash also, then I got, I think, value in the form of integer like 0. So also we can also multiply the this thing, right? Multi x to y, and if we print multiplication, so when we multiply the both thing, I got 50. Our output is 50. Okay, so today we learned the assigning the value, right? How to assign the value and how to um, add and differentiate and divide and multiply, right? So also if you want to assign the value, right? If you want to swap to value, how I can swap? So we will see how I can swap the value in Python, right? Right. If we say x equal to 5 and y equal to 10, I want to swap the both value, right? How I can swap? In easily x and y, we can give the value like in here. I say x and y, and now equal to we will assign y and x. We are assigning x is equal to y and the y equal to x. So if we print x and y, so let's see what it will print. Okay, so the okay, wait a minute. Y, y. Okay, now you will see the oh, see, okay, I'm getting errors. No, it's good. So I got sorry. So I got the value x is equal to 10 and y equal to 5. And what I assigned, x is equal to 5 and y equal to 10. So I swap the both the value like that. So this is good. I can swap the value like that. So next what I say, differentiate the result. We also quotient result and some we have done this thing. So what others say, the sequence follow in computing in a mathematical expression adheres to the principles of operator precedence and associativity. Okay, so we will see first what will we do. Parentheses, operation within parentheses are evaluated first. Okay, okay, if we have expression which is in parenthesis, we will be open parenthesis first and then other parenthesis and then expression and exponential multiplication and division and then addition and subtraction. Okay, We can also follow this thing like PEMDAS, like parenthesis, exponential, multiplication, division, add, and subtract. Okay. The sequence follow in computing mathematical expression adhere to the principles of operator precedence and essentiality. Okay, okay. So like that, we assign. I think we see this thing yesterday. We are assigning the integer value to the variable age equal to 25. Like 25 is integer value and floating 98.6. This is in decimal point, so it is a float type. In string, whatever we write in the double quote or single quote, it is a string. This is I write name equal to John. John in the double quote, right? So this is string type. Is strings true? Uh, in expression, like if so, we will get the answer yes or no and true or false. The value which is in uh, true or false, it is a variable, boolean type, boolean data type, right? Assigning a list of value to a variable. So okay, we grades list. We put a grades in the list like this. Grades equal to brackets and 85. We put the value inside this bracket. Okay, we have see this. We can also assign a dictionary of a key value pairs to a variable. So we will do this. We try to implement this thing. We will play with this thing, assigning a list of values to a variable. Okay. So we now I'm going to the compiler. So I'm give my list list equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's 5. So if I want the value which is written in first order, I want to print the value of first. What how I can print the value first? One, right? If you want to print the value 1, so we'll see print my list and go score list and we'll give and I'll say 0. So let's see what it will print. So see, I got 1. Our output give 1 like so. In list we start the counting from 0. Okay, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. Okay, if I give the value 5, it will not print I think anything because we have only value from till for it will give error. Okay, if I say 4, what it will print 5. Okay, it will print 5. Wow, this is good. Okay, let's see if we want to print the value 2, how I can print. I think this is 0, 1. Okay, I'll say 1. Wow, I got 2. This is good. And also what I see, okay, coordinates and tuple of variable. Tuple is also I think it is a fundamental data type. It is also same as list. Like in the list we assign the value in the braces, and but in this we assign the value in tuples. Okay, see let's see list 10 5. Say print and the square list. And what? Okay, this is same as list. This is also good. This is will be add comment. It is same as list in the list, but the difference is in the list we use square braces, but here we use parentheses, right? Wow. And let's see what I can also do in this. So what I, if you want to add something in this, how I can add, let's try my list. If I say dot add like 7, print my list. Let's see it will add or not. This is giving me error. Add. If I say append, let's Google it. Y list y1 kiwi. It is same, but why I'm getting error? Why append we use it? Length 3 mileage dot append. And 7. Let's try 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. My underscore list dot append. I say 6 and print my list. Oh, it's append the value in the list 6. But why I'm getting error in tuples? Append my list.